send for more. Same. I always want to eat what's in the sink. Thank you. I love these sponges. I love soap too. It's so good. Good morning. I'm glad you're enjoying it. Good morning, Stephanie. I love doing dual colored dish soap bombs. It's my favorite. Good morning, Virgo. How are you, love? Did you have a good weekend? Our Friday yap session was so fun. Can't wait to do it again. Yes. I want to do that often. It was up there, one of my top faves. Sweet. All right, ready for the first powder bomb? That was delicious. Thank you. Good morning, dirty mouth, clean sink. I missed what Gigi just said. I need to check the chat again. Good morning, Clean Bee. Right. But the idea sounds good. From what I read. We will have to chat about it. Let me try to mute them. Oh, I'm so sorry. I probably have to. I don't know if all... Thank you, Coley. I don't even know what they said, honestly. Probably like I'm killing the environment. Oh, want a job? Oh, okay. This isn't the place for that. Thank you for the heart me. Whoa, almost went. Love when it does that. Is the audio being weird again? Good. It might be you. Come back and come right back, love. It's so creamy. Oh, I'm so glad, Virgo. I hope it relaxes for you. Myra. But I also got a bow in... Yum. I'm glad you're loving it. Hey, QC. How are you, love? Did you have a good weekend? No face. I adore your content. Like, so much. Good morning, Jennifer. Good, I'm so glad you're good. My weekend was so nice. I just relaxed, enjoyed myself. I haven't been able to sleep in my bed because of my carpal tunnel, so I'm on some meds to help it, and so I took full advantage of that this weekend. This is ASMR. Sponge squeezing. It is so creamy in here. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought it said what's going on. The cloud of powder blurred me. We added pine and lemon. I think 8 or 9 cans. Blue and yellow, or blue and orange dish soap. But we only have 1 can left to go in. And some, hey, everything weird. And a little bit of dish soap left. So the line is open to add to the sink. How do you make this unsatisfying? I don't know. I don't know, but I hope it never happens to me because I'm obsessed with this. I've been doing dish soap bombs. I'm far gone from being obsessed. This is unhealthy obsession. I save that sponge for when it gets thick in here. That's the epoxy I'm using today. Hi. This is it's unhealthy, but I can't stop. One of my favorites. Good morning, Kate. We love it way too much. It's our life. It goes right down the drain. Right down the drain. Hello, hello. Last can of powder. That was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, Claudia. How are you, my love? keep this party going. Yeah, you can send for lots of powder. They are $2 a can, and we have lots of it. Good morning, sweet love. Thank you. Yeah, powder with dish soap on top is a good one too. Thank you for the heart puffs. Good morning, Ash, my love. How are you? Did you have a good weekend? I missed you all. The cute little otters. You want to hop in? Come on in. Jump on in. It's waiting for you. Thank you for the heart me. Yeah, No, you're in pain. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hope that you have something to help with the pain and can relax. Oh, I got mine done when I was like 18. It's horrible. So satisfying. Nope, I don't save anything. Hey, Sudsy lover. We've only put in what has been sent for. I don't know if anybody wants to send for anything else. Hi, Bunny. How are you, love? At night. I have all the laundry. I have Foca, $4, $7. I have Roma, $4. Extra, $2. Ariel, $2. Ariel, $3. Ariel, $6. Tide, $3. I have Axion, Salvo, 123, Blanca.